me, as y'all can see, goddamn me, I couldn't even wait to record. I had to go ahead and eat, but god damn, man, it's yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. That's all I can say, goddamn me. I went on to the down, do that on your thing, man. On your thing, on down, do that on your thing. Can't nobody in this group eat more pizza than me in a fashionably time matter. Neither I could have all this going in probably another 2 or 3 minutes. I would do it right here on recording, but my phone too damn cheap. It won't last that long. I don't have that much memory on my phone. I can't afford no expensive phone with data right now. I don't need one neither. Oh, it smells so good. I gotta go. Lord, how much it? Lord, have mercy.